text into over 20 different languages, and we keep on adding more languages. There's comprehend, which is understanding what's being said in a translated text, and comprehend medical to make it easy to extract medical information from text. And with Lex, we offer a service that uses automatic speech recognition and natural language understanding for building conversational interfaces into any app using voice and text. Vantage is a great example of a company that takes advantage of these higher-level AI services. They use Amazon Lex and Amazon Polly to develop natural language conversational apps to respond to customer requests for real-time or contextual image. And we have Lionbridge, one of the world's largest translation services. And they use Amazon Translate paired with a human editor to help them localize content into more languages faster while reducing costs by 20%. We also have Forecast. What's interesting about many of our AWS services is that when we build them, sometimes they come from services that we've built internally in Amazon and we have used internally for years and years before we look at it and we say, you know, customers have been asking for this. Why don't we provide it as a service? Forecast is one of these services. Forecast and Personalize are both based on technologies that we built in Amazon.com to use internally, and then we created externally as an AWS service. Forecast is a time series forecasting service, and Personalize is a real-time personalization and recommendation service. Both are fully managed, no servers to provision. You just get the core functionality. Mercado Libre uses Amazon Forecast, and they use it to predict demand for over 50,000 different products. Forecast, as a service, uses deep learning algorithms right out of the box, and it removes this undifferentiated heavy lifting for setting up pipelines, retraining schedules, regenerating forecasts. Makes it easy to do that because the managed service does the work for you. Domino's Pizza uses Amazon Personalize to customize and scale relevant marketing communications to customers based on time, context, and content, improving response rate. So to get started using any of these, we've got some great resources. We have the Amazon ML Solutions Lab to help you accelerate your use of machine learning in products and processes. It pairs your team with machine learning experts at Amazon to prepare data, build and train models, and put models in production. And we've also got Amazon's Machine Learning University, which expands upon the training used with Amazon's own developers. This is another one of those examples where Amazon did something internally to the company. We created this Machine Learning University for our own developers. And we said, you know, customers are asking for that too. And we've turned around and we've opened it up for any customer who wants to try it. And it improves the learning paths for all the developers that you want to become experts in machine learning with very little work. But I also want to talk to you about a fun new way to learn about machine learning. AWS Deep Racer is a 1/18 scale race car. Car driven by reinforcement learning. And it gives you a fun way to get started with machine learning. Reinforcement learning is an advanced machine learning technique. And what it does is it takes a very different approach to training models and other machine learning methods. Its superpower is that it trains through reward very complex behaviors without requiring any labeled training data. And it makes short-term decisions while optimizing for a long-term goal. Now,